Hi everybody! In this fourth lesson, we will learn how to master the alignment of the content of a cell, how to merge cells and wrap text, and how to change the orientation of a text in a cell. We will start by mastering the alignment of a text in a cell. From the Home menu, you can locate 6 buttons under the section Alignment. You can align a text in a cell vertically and horizontally. Look how the text is aligned center, right, left. In order to adjust the horizontal alignment, we should change the height of the row. I will start by making the row number 2 higher. Then I will click respectively on the buttons Top Align, Middle Align, and Bottom Align in order to see the horizontal alignment. In the cell B2, I will replace the title Student by Student Name. And then I will notice that the column did not change its width automatically, and a part of the title is hidden. So here, there is 2 options to solve this problem. 1. I change the width of the column by double-clicking on the intersection of the 2 columns B and C. 2. I apply the wrap text function in order to write 2 lines in the same cell. Look how by clicking on the wrap text button, the title is wrapped on 2 lines. Now comes the time to learn how to merge many cells together. This function is used to give an attractive layout to your tables. See how I will add a new line on the top of the table. And then I will select the cells of the first row, then click on the button Merge and Center. Look at the result. Now my table has a header. Finally, we will explore together how we can change the orientation of a text in a cell. By clicking on the button Orientation, you can explore the different options you have. 1. I can choose Angle Counterclockwise. 2. I can choose Angle Clockwise. 3. I can choose Vertical Text Up. 4. I can choose Rotate Text Up. 5. I can choose Rotate Text Down. At the end of this lesson, you are asked to create the following table. You can download it by clicking on the More button. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and do not forget to follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram in order to access to additional educational resources.